Hello. So we're going to talk about heap sort today. Heap sort and a visualization. So let's start by looking at the code. We're going to write this in Python. We're going to visualize what a heap sort looks like. The cool thing about this is we can minimize the screen and show 100 elements being sorted. If you look down at the bottom here, we're just taking some array of 100 elements. Then we're going to initialize them to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 100 or up to 99, and then shuffle them around and then sort them. And what should happen is we should be able to see the sort happening. So let's do it at a fast speed just to show what it looks like. And I'll make this smaller so it's easier to see. 100 elements on the screen is hard to see unless you have a lot of screen space. So here we go. You can see that the heap is over here, right? So at the end, the thing is sorted. Let's look at that again. This is the heap. I'll do it in slower motion so that you can see the heap. It's kind of cool. So then we go back here, and let's do it in slower motion. How about 1 second? That's too much. How about half a second? Now let's make this smaller again. And you can run this thing. Heap sort. So now it's running slower. You can see the heap here. If you're looking sideways at it, you can see that it's picking out the highest element, putting it into the sorted array, and then it heapifies again. So it has to rebalance or reheap the tree. And you can see slowly but surely this is an n log n operation. And there it goes. The heap is slowly disappearing. And we get the top element all the time. And that's pretty much it. It should finish soon. And you can see the heap algorithm here. Heapify. N is the size of the heap. It goes through and builds a heap. So the sort algorithm is here. It comes in with an array, and then it heapifies the array going from high number to low number. And it starts in the range n integer division by 2 minus 1. So that's the range. And then I is there and n is here. So it's working backwards, and it heapifies, builds a max heap, then one by one extract elements, and then heapify. So it goes halfway. That's interesting. Very cool. And then it heapifies again after it's done. So the max heap only needs to go from the middle. Because of the way the tree works. Heapify. Cool. And we'd have to look at heapify itself because it has to be looking left and right. Cool. So that's pretty much it. Peace out. The visualization is cool. You can go to the GitHub repository and download it yourself. GitHub repository. And that's it. Peace out.